Nursing Assistant Training. Why choose Ocean Bird Foundation International? OBF is a legally registered organization in Zimbabwe under Deeds Registry Act. It is also a registered corporate member of the South African Institute of Occupational Safety and Health and a supporter member of the British Safety Council. Inquire within at number 139 J. Moyo Street 14 to 15 Avenue Bulawayo, ZW or contact us on reception 0292-884728 or 0292260635 or WhatsApp to +1 202 750 3974 +263 78181